The moral story that we are going to do is A Thirsty Crow. Let's read it. It was a hot summer day. A crow was very thirsty. He flew from one place to another in search of water, but there was not a drop of water anywhere. All the ponds had dried up. The crow flew a long distance. Suddenly he saw a pitcher under a tree. The crow flew down and sat on the pitcher. He looked into the pitcher. The water was very low. The crow's beak could not reach it. He looked around and saw some pebbles. He picked up the pebbles one by one with his beak and dropped them into the pitcher. Soon the water came up to the mouth of the pitcher. The crow drank water and flew away happily. The moral of the story is need is mother of invention, and where there is will, there is a way. Now write down this story and learn it. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.